What's the best documentary ever created?
And Rayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Blindside?
Okay. Classic.
Based on a true
Classic.
story.
A
Denzel
Beautiful
playing
Mind.
Frank
A Beautiful
Lucas.
Mind
That
and
was
Rayman with
classic.
the Dustin
Escape from
Hoffman.
Alcatraz is good.
Best movie based on a true story.
Shawshank Redemption.
Coach Carter.
Levy and
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stalk you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it. This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stalk you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever. This is so good.
I made it shorter.
I believe I was planning on the environmental means.
Okay, so here we go. This is what we got. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. It's really great. It's got a Steven Seagal thing to it.
This is more like a and this is what made me and it so aesthetically astonishing in this era because he used to wear a lot of Victorian women clothes. He used to wear a lot of
What's the best documentary ever created?
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Talked about horses. Talked about Christopher Reeve. The guy that horse.
I don't
Remember the horse thing?
I didn't remember that part.
I don't like to get into things like that, but it did happen, and I'm not going to go on a horse ever again. Do you go on horses?
I don't, but it's nothing to do with that Christopher Reeve is actually